Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Myself Karthik Chopra, and today I will be explaining my mass housing project guided by architect Sachin Gulve. In order to understand mass housing typology, that is basic of mass housing, designing approach and designing government factor, I did a case study Asian Games Village by Raj Rivewal. Here I got to know that how to form cluster, the placing of block with respect to contexts and needs, the importance of segregation of vehicular movement and pedestrian movement but closely interlinked by convenience. Now I've moved forward to site analysis. For the better understanding for the zoning and designing purpose, the site study was done. Context. Surrounding of site is majorly in development phase. There are small commercial factories in surrounding to the site, due to which small pockets came into the picture of residential blocks. The major access to the site is 30-meter wide. Most of the area around the site is barren. The total gross area of site is 19,721 square meters. Location plan. From 30-meter wide road, we get the main major access to our site. The, the 12-meter road we get after entering in the site. This leads us to the amenities. Amenities placed at the center. As we enter in the site, we get to see the heavy plantation all around the site, majorly on the front face. This is to block the noise which is coming from the highway. The main apartment blocks are faced in the south direction and placed in the front. This is as it will serve as a landmark and can be viewed from the far distance. And the other reason is that it will be obstructing the major heat lane from the south side and will cast shadow on green patch. The placement of the blocks is done so that they get equal amount of connectivity from all parts. Small residential blocks are placed at the back end of the site to achieve a degree of privacy. Apartment. At lowermost level, there are three individual units of 2 BHK which get a separate entry from outer face. Each floor plate contain a cluster of 1 RK, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and a 3 BHK unit. The basic layout of flat is that you enter, you get living, then the dining, followed by kitchen and rooms, that is transition of public to private space. The apartment blocks has a central core containing a pair of lifts, a fire duct, a electrical duct and a plumbing duct. The apartment blocks at every alternative level are rotated at 8 degree. Twin bungalow, a 4 BHK module. The twin bungalow is designed in a fashion that each room has a degree of privacy along with a separate open space for relax. At lower level, the most of the space is public with living, dining and a guest bedroom. And at level 2 and 3 other bedrooms are situated. 3-meter height difference is there with a combination of open and closed outer spaces. At west side, there are majorly balconies to act as buffer space and to cut heat gain. Row houses, a 2 BHK module. The basic idea was clear while designing. The lower level will be public and upper level will be private. With a combination of kitchen and living dining at lower level and bedrooms at upper level. Row house is designed to give a degree of privacy along with a habitable space with low maintenance. East face is containing mostly glass to welcome indirect light. Bungalow, a 5 BHK module, the most spacious and big unit. At lowermost level, there is a set of living and dining along with the bedroom. At the upper levels, two bedrooms are situated at each floor. Spaces are designed that they give a feeling of grandeur and should be comfortable to live. Amenities are placed at the center of the site for equal connectivity from all parts. Amenities is a combination of space for a homey feeling and leisure. At lower level, multi-purpose hall is provided as it will have a major footfall and healthcare to give direct connectivity of ambulance from road. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.